Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone navigating the world of taxes. IRS Form 1040. This form is the cornerstone of individual income tax returns in the United States. Whether you're self-employed, a sole proprietor, or earning income from various sources, Form 1040 is where you report it all. So, who uses this form? It's designed for individuals, sole proprietors, freelancers, and small business owners. If you fit into any of these categories, this form is crucial for you. Now, let's talk about what Form 1040 includes, especially for business owners. If you operate as a sole proprietor or a single-member LLC, you'll need to attach Schedule C to your 1040. This schedule reports your business income, expenses, and net profit or loss. Common expenses you can report include advertising, supplies, travel, home office costs, and utilities. Remember, keeping detailed records like receipts, mileage logs, and invoices is vital. Here's a helpful tip. Accurate reporting on Schedule C not only helps you claim deductions, but also keeps you in good standing with the IRS. So, how does it all come together? First, you'll total your income by adding up all your sources. Next, subtract your deductions, whether you choose the standard deduction or itemize. After that, apply any credits to reduce your tax liability. Finally, calculate your tax due or refund based on the payments you've made throughout the year. Why does this matter? Form 1040 is more than just a tax form. It tells your financial story for the year. Filing it correctly ensures compliance with IRS rules, maximizes your refund or minimizes what you owe, and gives you peace of mind during tax season. At Mannoe Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in helping individuals and small businesses file confidently and correctly. Whether you're tackling your first 1040 or managing complex income streams, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to call us at 305-469-1209 or visit us at mannoetax.com. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your time, and if you found this information helpful, consider following us for more insights. Take care.